Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip banana bread. So the ingredients you need are 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar or less if you need it, 1/4 cup of water or you could use half a cup, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You could also add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or a pinch of baking soda, a couple pinches of salt, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, you could use any flavor you want, and 2 overripe bananas, and some utensils. First, you take your bananas and smash it with a fork. First, you put your smashed bananas into your bowl. Next, you add your water, oil, sugar, and salt. And mix it together for a little bit. Now add your egg and mix that as well. Now you sift your flour and your baking soda together. Now you mix it. If you'd like, you could also use a mixer. In the process of mixing, you could also add more flour if your batter is too thin, and you could also add more water if your batter is too thick. After you fully mixed your batter, it's time to add your chocolate chips. You could gently mix it. Make sure not to go too rough. Now set your batter aside and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and butter your pan, or you could put some wax paper. Now you pour your batter into your pan. Now put this in your oven. Make sure you put it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After I took it out of the oven, I put it onto a plate, and this is how your chocolate chip banana bread should look like. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!